This is breast, and this is imaginary baby mouth. We are here to talk about why babies sometimes slide down when they're feeding. If you have noticed that your baby goes onto the breast with a white latch and then slides onto the nipple, there are reasons for that. One of the main reasons is that they go onto the breast, the flow is very fast, and they learn to clamp down and slide to control the flow of milk. Another reason for the sliding down and nipple feeding part that can be very painful can be because baby is physically not able to hold the latch. Reasons for that could be tongue tie, lip tie, or any other oral restrictions. However the reason, we always need to investigate why babies do this and how to fix it as well. Should the reason for the sliding down and nipple feeding be a fast flow, we will need to investigate other symptoms. In the meantime, you can try and hand express some milk and then latch baby. If there are no fast flow symptoms and your baby is still sliding down and nipple feeds, you can try the following. Simply hold your hand in a C or U shape and compress the surrounding tissue on your nipple and help baby maintain a strong latch like so. This is called the breast sandwich hold and manages latching pain quite effectively. Regardless of the reason, if you experience nipple pain at any point of your breastfeeding journey, please reach out to an IBCLC to fully investigate the reasons for that and to find solutions. You do not have to be in pain and let your baby